Bangladesh is a poor agricultural country and the government have laid much importance on human resource development, especially through training. The training in visual aid production and management is a step forward to achieving the goal of national progress through active training with the effective use of audiovisual materials. This training is an opportunity for me to acquire modern techniques and knowledge in the field of audiovisual. I came to NEWI for the main training after participating in a 7-week pre-sessional English course at University College of North Wales, Bangor. On the 20th September, Dr. Radwan Elfelait received me at Chester Station before driving to Catervalley College by NEWI transport. After an introduction with other study fellows, we had lunch, then traveled to Box Lane to see our accommodation and a technical briefing with Mr. Brian Howard. Later, we visited Wrexham Town Centre and the Sainsbury supermarket to familiarize ourselves with our locations and to acquire catering provisions. My accommodation was fully furnished and comfortable. I prepared my food in the self-catering kitchen. The staff at the center were friendly and I found the atmosphere homely. The center has facilities for recreation and games in a big lounge. Transport was provided to take part in the training session at NEWI Catervalley College throughout the course. Firstly, I participate on a teaching technique course with Dr. Ray Thomas and Mr. Andy Cornwell. The course was very useful and I learned various aspects of teaching techniques. I will try to introduce some of the ideas when I have an opportunity to teach at my institute. Secondly, the main part of the course started on 11th October 93 and continued up to 18 February 94. I was introduced to Ms. Maris Mary, who took special care and made a schedule with different tutors. I followed students' projects on animation, computer graphics and filming on VHS tape. Thus I became familiar with various equipment used in film and television production. Then I started my own work on computer animation and slide tape production as per instructed by Mr. Kevin Knott and Mr. Simon Collins respectively. To gain familiarization with professional practice in video production, I worked with Mr. Jim Cook in the campus to make a documentary using the VHS system. During my training, I visited Welsh College of Horticulture and found interesting subject for filming on greenhouse production. Mr. Stuart Edwards made necessary arrangements and we went there for shooting on pneumatic tape. I have been helped by my tutor Stuart in filming and using edit suites. He taught me in location shooting, cuts and editing techniques. I participated in a first aid course and an industrial attachment for 1 week and 4 weeks respectively. There were some study trips with students at Iron Bridge, London and Bradford apart from the main training course. I visited interesting places which include the Museum of Moving Image, and the National Gallery of Film, Television and Photography. The Center for External Affairs also arranged a trip to North Wales, Chester, Jew, Blackpool over weekends. I enjoyed summer, autumn and winter during my stay in Britain and observed the changes in nature. I am quite pleased with the progress I have made with the help of my tutors, course designer and the student of film and TV media. I have been supplied with magazines and books from Mr. Isa Morris on videography and acquired effective knowledge and information from them. I would like to thank from the bottom of my heart those who helped me in training and staying in Britain. Now I can make substantial contribution in achieving our national goal of human resource development by applying acquired knowledge in the field of audiovisual studies.